My name is Marypierre Poirier. I am President and CEO of Prima Quebec, the Advanced Material Research and Innovation Hub. I had the opportunity and the great pleasure to join 2 missions in Japan and South Korea with NanoCanada, and it was a great experience. During the missions, meetings were planned by NanoCanada with different institutions, Canada embassies, Quebec offices, which allows us to update information. And through that experience, I was also able to meet with the National Research Foundation of Korea, with whom we now have an agreement which led to a call for joint projects between Quebec and South Korea. So thanks to NanoCanada, who's there to connect Canada's advanced material and nano community for a global impact.
Hi, I'm Bree Fox, Director of Commercial Management and Carbon Technologies at Capital Power.
And I'm Renee Yorth, Commercial Manager with Capital Power.
For us, the Nano Japan mission was a huge success, and we are very grateful to NanoCanada for introducing us to business partners that align with Capital Power's plans for carbon conversion technology.
The Japan mission was very fruitful for Capital Power. With the help of NanoCanada, we were able to have a number of very effective business-to-business meetings during this mission, and are encouraged that meaningful relationships will be fostered from this to the benefit of both parties. Thank you, NanoCanada, for all your support.
Hi, my name is Dino Delianis, President of Intelvac Thin Film, and I'd like to tell you why I'm a big fan of NanoCanada. So far, I've participated on 3 of their trade missions, and I can tell you that we have made business at every trade mission. In addition to making business with people in other countries, we've also been able to make connections with companies that participate in the trade mission, so now we have interactions going with Canadian technology companies as well. So I'm very happy to be a member.
My name is Suzanne Riegel, and I'm the Director of Marketing at Nanalysis Corp. And we work towards developing accessible and automatable magnetic resonance-based solutions to industry through method validation and key industrial collaborations. We have been participating with NanoCanada-led trade missions to Japan since 2016. These trade missions have really helped us establish a good relationship with our Japanese distributor, ensuring that they're retrained annually and have good technical support for visits, seminars, and workshops to their potential customers. As part of the trade mission, we always attend a large nanotechnology conference, and our efforts and technology were recognized by conference organizers there, where we were named Best Analytical Instrumentation at Nanotech 2020. This is a tremendous honor for a non-Japanese company and the only SME acknowledged amongst the award recipients. Given this success, we've also focused our efforts and started to increase our involvement in other NanoCanada-led trade missions to South Korea. We've seen an increase in our domestic brand recognition and revenue, but we've also been able to get involved in small Canadian companies that are also looking to commercialize their technologies internationally. Nanalysis now has a $15 million revenue run rate and have grown to 85 employees in Canada and Europe, including many highly qualified personnel. The support of organizations such as NanoCanada have been absolutely instrumental to help us reach these levels of growth.
I'm Gordon Harling, President of CMC Microsystems. CMC is a Canadian not-for-profit that provides products and services for research support in the areas of microelectronics, photonics, microelectromechanical sensors, AI, and quantum devices. We have had a long history of collaboration with NanoCanada, both on national and international conferences. On the international front, it's a very cost-effective way for us to meet with our peer organizations in other countries and to make new connections. It's been a wonderful experience for us, and we greatly appreciate the services of NanoCanada.
Hello, my name is Jaford Humes, and I'm the Director of Research and Business Development for NanoIntegris Technologies, a division of Raymore Industries. I've been involved with NanoCanada since its official inception in March of 2015. Since that time, NanoIntegris has been part of the delegation within numerous missions hosted by NanoCanada to both Tokyo, Japan, and Seoul, South Korea, which has furthered the commercial success of NanoIntegris while having a lot of fun along the way. One of the greatest impacts that NanoCanada has had for my company has been its ability to network us with decision makers within high-profile companies such as LG, Samsung, and Honda. The greatest relationship that NanoCanada helped to nourish, though, was that with another Canadian company, Brilliant Matters. Since our meeting, Brilliant Matters now serves as the sole polymer supplier for our single-wall nanotubes that are utilized within a large multi-million-dollar government grant whose products will prove beneficial for both national defense and industrial-scale commercial applications.
Hello, I'm Grimandra Minhas, the Managing Director of Performance Biofilaments. We are a Vancouver-based biomaterials company commercializing opportunities for nanofibrillated cellulose. Nanofibrillated cellulose is a sustainable and renewable biomaterial that has been well demonstrated to enhance the properties of other materials such as concrete and mortars, plastics, and non-wovens, as well as industrial paints and fluids. So we joined NanoCanada to take advantage of the many trade missions that they coordinate on a regular basis. Our first mission actually with NanoCanada was to the Nano Japan conference in 2019. We were actually, this trade mission significantly accelerated our business development efforts both in Japan and other parts of Asia. The NanoCanada team did a great job in overall coordination as well as taking care of a lot of the logistical details. So that allowed us to focus on the business development activities and the many meetings we had scheduled with prospective customers. We appreciate the work that the team at NanoCanada does, and we look forward to working with them in the future on many more trade missions.
Hi, this is Dr. Nusa Tamzaman from Sinoveda. Would like to say a few words about my experiences with NanoCanada. Our company has been a member since 2018, and I had the privilege to attend a couple of trade missions with NanoCanada, the first being in 2018, and we went to Japan, and then the last one was to both Japan and South Korea in 2020. It has been an utmost wonderful experience going with NanoCanada, and I have to say a big thank you to the NanoCanada staff members, the CEO Marie, Janice, and Patricia. I have to say their professionalism and their attention to details is just extraordinary. But above all, it was a wonderful experience going with NanoCanada, and we look forward to working with them in the future. Thank you.
I am Stephan Ghai, President and CEO of Ovensa. We're a biotech company that develops nanoparticles so we can direct drugs more specifically towards certain tissues and getting them across the blood-brain barrier to treat resistant diseases like cancer or dementia. What to say about NanoCanada? Well, I met with them at the end of 2019 in Brazil, and I was fascinated by how they organize missions, how they are structured, and I decided to sign on the memberships. We really had very successful missions where we met a lot of companies, pharma companies, but also partners and investors, and really looking forward for the next missions.
My name is Monique Maneg, Director of Government Relations for Zen Graphene Solutions. Zen is a nanomaterial science company focused on next-generation graphene-enhanced technologies, and since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, Zen focused its resources on graphene-based biomedical solutions and subsequently developed a graphene-based virucidal coating that's proven to inactivate over 99% of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. NanoCanada, they are introducers and relationship builders. Zen joined 2 years ago, and we are currently involved in 2 research projects directly related to those introductions. NanoCanada has spent countless hours promoting Canada's excellence in science and innovation, and we would like to give a very big thank you to the entire team for all their hard work in creating an advanced materials and nanotechnology community in Canada.
Hey, this is Adam Brown, CEO of Nanolog Audio, and last year I had the pleasure of going to Tokyo and Seoul, South Korea with NanoCanada. And in South Korea, I got to go to LG Electronics, the research campus there, had a meeting. We had investor meetings at the embassy. It was a great experience, a great trip, and it actually inspired me to apply to the K Startup Grand Challenge, which is a 3.5-month accelerator program in Seoul, South Korea. And I just went through it. It was incredible. But it all really stemmed from, taking that first step with NanoCanada to get to a new market, get the lay of the land, get some initial contacts. So strongly advise it. I encourage you to hop on board.